Hello my dear students. جاهزين تكتبوا طلب application form. Now you are going to write your own application form. But this time it is not going to be applying for a job. It is going to be applying to join a club. Science club, by the way. نادي علوم. Now في منكم بيجي بيقولوا لي يا أستاذ إحنا طب ما عندنا نوادي في المدرسة. We don't have clubs at our school. بنقول لك imagine تخيل إنه you have clubs at your school and you are going to join the science club and you have to fill in an application form to join this club. So I want you to start writing your own application form from the scratch من الصفر. Okay? Use the previous application form we discussed. استخدم الابليكيشن فورم اللي ناقشناه قبل هيك as a guide كدليل لك. But remember, you don't have to copy it. يعني مش نفسه. You can add. For example, you can add to the first part place of birth, date of birth, marital status, الحالة الاجتماعية. Okay, whatever you want to ask or add for basic information about the applicant, add. ضيف اللي بدك إياه. Okay, now regarding the second part, فيما يتعلق بالقسم الثاني اللي هو short paragraph. These questions will help you. هاي الأسئلة راح تساعدك. شو السؤال الأول؟ What are your reasons for applying to join the club? شو هي الأسباب اللي بتخليك تنضم للنادي لهذا النادي؟ يعني you can say I like science, I like working in the lab. You write your reason or reasons. إما سبب أو أسباب. 2. What experience do you have that is relevant to the club? شو الخبرة اللي عندك إلها علاقة في النادي؟ You can mention that you were a member at last year or in last year science club at your school. Or you can say you participated in the science fair. شاركت في مهرجان أو مسابقة أو معرض العلوم. And you won مثلا second place وفزت في المركز الثاني. يعني imagine. Okay? Think wide. فكر بطريقة واسعة. Last question. How will you contribute to the club? شو راح تكون مساهمتك للنادي؟ يعني what difference are you going to make? شو التغيير راح تعمله؟ شو راح تساهم في تطوير النادي؟ With these questions in your mind, وهاي الأسئلة في ذهنك, I'm sure you will be able to write a very coherent short paragraph. See you.